Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project with the resolution and frame rate you need. For mobile delivery, pick 1080p at 30 FPS. Then import your media. Tap the plus button and add video, images, and audio directly from your device. Once done, organize. Rename key clips and group items in folders so you can find them fast. This speeds editing and prevents mistakes later, and it helps you focus on timing and composition rather than hunting for files. You now refine the sequence, trim clips, and use the split tool to isolate moments you want. Then apply motion by selecting a layer and adding keyframes to position, scale, or opacity. This is how you control timing and movement. Once done, layer effects like blend modes, masks, and color corrections to shape the look. Make sure to preview at reduced playback speed, for example 0. 5x, to catch subtle motion issues and to synchronize effects with audio. You finish by exporting. Choose the correct format, resolution, and bitrate. Use hardware acceleration when available to speed up encoding. After export, play the file and check sync, visual artifacts, and audio levels. Make sure loudness matches target. If you hit problems, try clearing the app cache and restarting the app. If artifacts persist, lower the export bitrate or re-encode the problematic clip. This fixes most issues, and if necessary, re-import and render the single troublesome section again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.